Welcome everybody to Zee Builds. I'm your host Ziad, and today we're building a new gaming PC. We decided to go with the Ryzen 5 7600, probably one of the best budget gaming CPUs right now in the market. For the motherboard, we decided to go with a colorful Battle AX B650 motherboard. For RAM, we decided to go with 32 GBs of DDR5 RAM with speeds of 6400 MHz per second. And obviously, since this is an AM5 platform, we cannot go with DDR4. It only supports DDR5. For the power supply, we went a little cheap with it and got a 700 watt power supply, but you know, it's 700 watt from a company called iGo. And the reason I like this power supply is the company, I saw them, I think they sponsored some car or some team in Formula 1 over the years. And I really love Formula 1, so, you know, you had to trust them. And honestly, I did try this before twice, and I know it's a really good power supply. I don't know if it doesn't have any ratings on it, but it's a good power supply. I've tried it myself. It's 700 watts, really reliable, amazing. Since this motherboard doesn't support Wi-Fi, we went with 6E Wi-Fi that has really cool antennas. This is why I got it, because of the antennas, and obviously because it's 6E. 6E is amazing. I just threw that away like it's nothing. For storage, we went with the Crucial P3 Plus 1 TB that has read speeds up to 5000 megabytes per second. I tried the 500 GB version of this specific SSD and it's amazing. It has amazing speeds and pretty reliable too. For the CPU cooler, we went with a 6-pipe heatsink that has 120mm fans. It's from a company called Snowman. Now you might be wondering, what companies are these? You never heard of them before, and that is because I didn't buy them the traditional way. Almost everybody that buys PC parts right now, he buys them off Amazon, but I decided to go a different route. I went on AliExpress and we found some really amazing stuff that is cheap and reliable. And this is my second time. I wasn't making a video the first time I did this, but this is my second time, and honestly, these things are more reliable than people think, and you can get really good deals on AliExpress. This video is not sponsored by AliExpress. I'm saying this because I don't want people to overpay and get things that are overpriced for the same thing that you can get for much cheaper on AliExpress. And for this behemoth of a case, we went with a fish tank style case. It's from a company called Spear. I think it's an Australian company. It has 5 ARGB fans that come with it. And honestly, it looks amazing. It looks reliable, has plenty of space, and I'm really excited to build in this case. So without further ado, let's get building. We have finally finished the build. It was a fantastic one to work on. I believe the cable management turned out to be much better than I thought. It was really fun to finally cable manage in a micro ATX case. The first case I worked on was a mini ITX, which you're gonna see a video about this sooner or later. I hope you liked the video, and if you would like to know how we got these parts from AliExpress and how we got the best prices on these parts, comment down below and hopefully I'm gonna make a video about it and tell you how to find the best deals on AliExpress. I hope to see you soon. This was Ziad from Zee Builds.